Morning. So if you've learned yoga in any degree, you will have experienced that there are prerequisites there in yoga. So for example, that asana practice is a prerequisite for pranayama practice, is a prerequisite for the samadhi types of practices. Now, the question is there a prerequisite in order to do yoga? Krishnamacharya would say, yes, there is. If you can breathe, you can do yoga. I would boldly like to add that I'm going to ask you if you've ever had this experience, and I know that you have. Have you ever had an eyelash in your eye? And it says if you can't function properly in life unless that eyelash comes out of the eye, right? So it's annoying, it's a hindrance, it's getting in the way of having a comfortable experience. We have to be able to identify that we're in that place of discomfort and then enter yoga.